Okay guys, in this video, we're gonna be seeing if we can make 37s fit on my Ram 1500. Oh man, these are gonna be crazy. Hey everybody, I hope you're having an awesome day so far. Thank you for checking out the video. We bought the 37s, as you guys have been seeing. And if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because you can see all this stuff early. And my Dodge is leveled and it looks a bit unlevel right now. And I think it's because my front suspension's worn out and my rear, they're kind of both like really bouncy. So I think I gotta fix that, but we're gonna see if we can kind of size these up and see if they could fit right now. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to mount them the way they are. Few reasons. I'll show you guys the clearance right now. It's really minor. The fact that there's 33s on it right now, and there's like an inch when you're locked turning, like there's no way these will fit with turning, without cutting. So like, I don't care, I'll cut my truck in half if I have to fit these tires. But I'm getting a 3-inch body lift, so that should give me tons of room to run these. But yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so these are the 37s. They are, so 37, 1250, R17. They're called Nexen. That's the brand. And then they're called Rodian MTX. These are like the cheap Chinese tires, like Conforcers or whatever. But now check this out. So it's called dual sidewall because this side, look at this. You got like fangs, right? And then on the other side, you got just your standard sidewall, which I like better, honestly. So I think I'm gonna run with this side out. I mean, that's pretty cool. You got the choice. If you didn't like it, you could even remount them, switch it up. But yeah, look at that tread. I paid $12.50 for a set of 4, brand new. Pretty good deal, I think, because you're usually looking upwards of $1,500. Yeah, not bad. So let's go size these up to the truck and see if it's even possible to fit them as is. All right, guys. So as you can see, these things are beasts. You kind of get the picture. Like, absolute beast. So as is, there's like no clearance right now. Like, we got probably 2-3 inches there. Luckily I have no stock bumpers, so that's good. Could you clear these right now? It'd be close, but a lot of cutting. We're not gonna put these on until I get the lift, just to be safe. This is my daily driver, so I can't be messing around too bad. 33s, 37s. Just huge. These are Conforcers that are on it right now, and they're also Chinese brand. It's gonna be crazy. Like, this thing is gonna be a beast. Like, I don't think I get it how cool this thing's gonna look either, because there's not many people that I've heard of rocking that setup. Here's the rear. Make sure I find that. About there. Now, you could fit these on the rear, 100%. Except every bump you're gonna be rubbing. But I chopped the bed, right? That's a good, because it would come down to there, right? And then it'd be no way to clear them. So we chopped the bed. We're good to clear these in the rear pretty much. All right, guys. So here's my plan. That guy wants to be any louder. Like, geez. We're getting a 3-inch body lift. So we're gonna be lifting the body up 3 inches. So like right there, there'd be a 3-inch puck. So what does that mean? That means we can clear the 37s. I'm not gonna say with ease, but hopefully. I mean, I'm willing to take out fender liner, make some custom fender liner stuff in here. I'm willing to take these off, the fender flares, but we are going to make it work. When we get a body lift, the front bumper is gonna have to be moved up. I'm not sure yet if I'm even gonna keep this bumper, because what I want to do is take this piece off and then make a bumper that sits right next to the grill. That's what I want to do with the front. Now for the rear, shouldn't be as hard to do. Now we're gonna move this guy up. We're gonna cut it there. So it's gonna be like literally just one piece across, pre-runner style. So this is gonna be gone. I'm gonna take my hitch off. My hitch is so low, it almost defeats the purpose of why I even cut here in the first place, right? Because look how low this is. Like, it doesn't make sense. It's still gonna smack the ground. So we're gonna take it off. I never tow, so tow hitch is gonna be gone. And then we're gonna cut this here. So this is gonna be gone. Obviously license plate, that's gotta stay. But like, the clearance in the rear is gonna be crazy. What I've seen a guy do is put the hitch back under the, like further down in the frame. I don't think I'm gonna do that just because there's not really point. All I need to figure out is how to get shackle mounts to the frame. And then the back of this thing's gonna be absolute beast. There's gonna be a 37 on the spare tire carrier. There's gonna be like nothing back here. It's gonna be sick. I also have to raise my exhaust for like the 4th time. Like, I've raised the exhaust a few times already. Like the bed shop, I raised it again, fell off. So yeah, we gotta raise it again. But I cannot wait, guys. So here's the reason why I don't have the body lift yet. It's my birthday next week, December 2nd. I asked if my parents could get me the body lift for my birthday. Yeah, it's kind of soft, but so I don't even know if I'm gonna get a body lift or if I'm gonna have to spend the money and get it myself. But I'm hoping. That's pretty much it, guys. Not that exciting of a video, but I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what is going on with the Ram, because if I had the body lift, I would already be going nuts and just sending her right now. I'd be done by now, pretty much. But I'm waiting to see if I get it as a gift, and we'll see. If I don't get it as a gift, then I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and spend the money myself, but that's what's gonna happen. And this truck's gonna be crazy. Like 33s right now, leveled Ram. It's really cool, like in my opinion. Some of you guys like it too. But now it's just time to go to that next step. I've been cruising it for a while. It's been really loyal. So we're just gonna send it now. Like, I don't care. Yeah, I know people say body lifts are garbage, but can't say it's bad if you've never done it. So we're gonna throw body lift on it. If the body lift's terrible, we'll just take it out and see what our other options are. But I also just wanna thank you guys a lot. Like, I love making videos, and like the fact that I'm at like, I think 771 or something when I made this video. Like, that's crazy. Like, I appreciate it so much, guys. Make sure you guys hit the sub, because obviously the Ram, we got the Ranger here. It's looking pretty cool. Make sure you guys hit sub. Hopefully next video, the Ram is gonna be lifted, but I don't wanna say that quite yet because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the lift, but let's hope for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, guys. Hit the sub, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.